Hello, my dear friends from every social network, not only YouTube, but Instagram and Facebook, and so on. This time, I want to give you a super tip. If you don't know how to create your own scores and you are a singer-songwriter just like me, but you don't know much about theory, or maybe you don't have time to create your own scores. So this is an amazing thing, because thanks to this, you're going to be able to register officially the songs that you have created. He is an amazing guy. He comes from Pakistan. His name is Sarmad, and you can see here his profile, Sarmad K for music. I totally recommend this guy. It's very cheap to do an amazing job, and he does it very quick. He's a very kind person, and the job that he delivers, it's amazing, like totally underrated for such an amazing job. He is a great a person to work with. So here's a description. He says that I'm a music composer from Pakistan. I am selling my services on Fiverr as a music arranger, transcriber, and an audio editor. I've arranged complex orchestral scores and made music tracks for YouTube and documentaries before joining Fiverr. And yes, I can show you here a little. Well, here's my review I gave him, because he is really amazing. And here you can see some of the things that we have done together, and this is the job that he delivered. As you can see, it looks amazing, you know. Oh, everything is placed where it should be. It was easily accepted by my association here in Chile, where I applied with this song, and it's official. So I'm very happy. This is a great tip. Take it, don't forget. This is Sarmat's profile. You can check it out here on Fiverr. I'm gonna give you the link down below, of course. And I totally recommend this guy. So these are his gigs. Here you can see the things that this guy can do. So don't hesitate. Have a great day. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Thank you very much.